How to download ChatGPT on iPhone. This will be an uncommon method because you can't really download ChatGPT from the App Store currently. So what you'll need to do is go to the Shortcuts app. You might have it downloaded. If not, go ahead and download the Shortcuts app from the App Store. Once you're on the Shortcuts app, click the top right hand corner where you see the plus sign. Then you'll want to go ahead and click on Add Action in the middle of the screen. Then click on Web. Then you'll want to scroll down on the web section and click on Open URLs. Then click on the URL in the middle part there, then type in the web address chat.openai.com. Then you can go ahead and change the name of the app at the top there. You can just click on Open URLs instead of having it like that, and then you can type in ChatGPT and have it like this. And then you want to click on the blue circle in the top right hand corner. That will enable you to be able to click at the home screen at the top. Then if you want to change the picture to make it a little bit more professional because it isn't actually the application, click on choose photo. You can get one off the internet just like I did and save it to your photos, put it in there, and there we have the ChatGPT logo. And then once that's done, all you need to do is click the top right hand corner where it says add, and then you should have it appear on the home screen of your iPhone right there as you can see. And you can go ahead and click it and click allow, and then it should open up the ChatGPT website. Then you can use it by logging in or signing up if you aren't already. And that's going to work exactly the same as if they bring out the actual app on the App Store. So leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.